In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Steam QR code on PC step by step. This is super useful if you want to sign in faster using your mobile authenticator, or if you're trying to log into Steam without typing your password every time. I'll also show you what to do if the QR code doesn't appear, because that can happen for a few simple reasons. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Steam on your PC. If you're already signed in, you will need to log out first because the QR code appears on the sign-in screen. To do that, click your name at the top, then choose Log Out of Account. Once you're back on the Steam sign-in window, look to the right side of the login box. You should see a unique QR code displayed there automatically. That QR code is what you'll scan with your mobile authenticator or Steam mobile app to sign in securely. If you see it right away, great, you're ready to use it. But if the QR code is not showing up, don't worry, there are a few things you can check. First, make sure Steam is fully updated. To do that, click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Check for Steam Client Updates. An outdated client can sometimes prevent newer login features from loading properly. Next, check your internet connection. The QR code has to connect to Steam servers in real time, so if your connection is weak, unstable, or offline, the code may not appear at all. If everything still looks correct, there's one more thing to consider. Very old versions of Windows or an extremely outdated Steam client may not support the QR login feature properly. In that case, updating your system and Steam client is usually the best fix. So to recap, open Steam, log out if needed, go to the sign-in screen and look on the right side for the QR code. Then scan it with your mobile authenticator to log in. And if it's missing, update Steam, check your connection, and make sure your system is supported. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.